fwends, what's up with you all? Pasensya na sa kalat sa aking likuran. Yeah, good morning to everyone. Good evening to those na nakatira sa place na evening pa ngayon. So yeah, I'm feeling I'm having an energy ulit. So I'm back to vlogging. It's been like how many weeks? Yeah, I guess my last vlog was when I got my PCR test. Yeah, so finally I'm thankful that I'm feeling well now. And I don't know if you noticed that my face is a little rounder. I think I gained a little weight, I guess. Yeah, because nasa bahay lang ako, guys. So, how are you all? How's everybody? Sana okay lang ang lahat. Yeah, sana okay lang ang lahat. And also, before we get started, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell para lagi kayong notified whenever I upload a new video. So guys, welcome all. I'm just happy today. It's because I already got my result of my PCR test, and I'm gonna talk about that later. Yeah, so yeah, feeling the good vibes still. Think positive lang tayo as always, kahit kahit yung mga tawag niyan. Let's all just be positive kahit hindi masyadong maganda yung nangyari sa paligid natin, but still positive actions attracts positive. So let's just attract more positivity sa sa surroundings natin, para hindi naman masyadong kasi pag negative tayo, makaka-attract din tayo ng ibang tao na negative, tapos mahawaan din natin sila ng ating negativity. So just be positive and be with life. So ayun, we are going to the grocery kasi bukas I'm going back to work na. So yeah, it's been really a long time, guys, since I'm gone. Like, I did not go to work for 2 weeks. Yeah, it's such a long time because I wasn't really feeling very well, and thankfully naman ngayon I'm feeling a little better, but still I still have that a little shortness of breath still, but hopefully mawala na din siya eventually. I'm hopeful naman. So just taking a lot of precautions still para at least hindi lumala. Ayun, so I'm just going to, naghihintay na sa akin si Roki sa baba. So yeah, aalis na muna kami. So, we're inside Joyful now, and I'm gonna, choose what to eat. Okay, so, you're sneezing? You're having I don't know what to get. Maybe I'll just eat the same yung favorite ko na stamina butsadong. Siguro, yun na lang. Ikaw, what are you gonna eat, bro? Sabi niya pagkapasok namin, ito daw yung kakainin niya. Pero, naghahanap pa siya. But I think I'm gonna just eat, this one. Yeah. So, I'm gonna have that. So, we're gonna take our order now. Roki is already pislating number. So, we're just waiting. We are number, the value pislit, and that's the number there. See that? So, I'm just gonna wear my mask kasi mag-order na. Where's my Ticket. May joy ka. Ay, ticket. Drink for ticket. Ito masala datong ko. Anong di ay? Uy. Ha? Ang saman to. Correct. So, ano, stamina botado. So, Italian tea.
もったいないサラダが2つ。
デカマスポテト。
ガリックさん。これスープバーガーご利用されます？
うん。
はい。
ガリック？
使います。
だけね。
リックだけ。
ガリックだけね。はい、了解。
おもりのポテト。
大盛りポテトフライが2つ。
はい。
以上でよろしかったですか？
はい。
はい。じゃあガリックはあちらからご利用くださいませ。はい。
There's no saucer. It's only the cup. I got the caramel macchiato pala. But there's no saucer. Where I'm gonna put this. Okay. Bye.
In my hand.
In? On. You don't
Okay.
know how to use
On my hand.
Ano? It's been a while na lumabas kami ni Roki. Di ba, Roki? Yung lumabas lang kami is like, ano lang, yung nag-take ako ng PCR test and yun lang. And then we haven't eaten here sa Joyful. And now we're back. We're finally back. Gonna drink my caramel macchiato. But still guys, konti pa lang, konti, paano yun sabihin? There's still few people, dining out still kasi yun nga, may mga situation about coronavirus, ganyan. So, wala pa rin masyadong tao na kumakain dito. Unlike before that it's really crowded here. You need to wait in line para makakuha kayo ng table, but now it's just easy, and considering that it is lunchtime, konti lang talaga yung tao, but we're just waiting for our food. I'm having my caramel macchiato, which is my favorite, and I don't know what is Roki's drinking. But kasi yung drinks niya is always weird. Naubos na yung tissue, guys. Roki, guys.
We don't have it.
Yeah, wala na. Nilagay ko na lang dito sa tissue. Walang cup. That's a saucer, bro. That's not a cup. That's a saucer.
I told you saucer.
You said cup.
No. I said saucer.
Cup.
Like playing saucer.
Fruits here as usual. This is I'm having, and then here's the salad. Ricky is.
I called you tonight. I've been thinking this for too long. Send a message, you don't reply. I keep looking for you, even if it's wrong. I'm sitting all alone in my room. You're stuck so high in my head. I don't care if there's no chance. I need to find you. I need to know. I need to know. If we're still in your heart.
There's the river and the river.
Uy, snow.
Whoa, snow. Hi. Wow, baho ng nya. CR. So, did you smell it?
Yeah.
So we're here sa Denki. Baho naman ang CR. Maghahanap kami ng earphone. Is it the CR or did ang store?
Yeah.
Ang baho naman. So, I'm gonna look for an earphone. Pero parang konti lang yung available na earphones nila dito. Mas marami sa maybe dito. Let's try to look for the earphone section. Oh, I think they don't have it anymore though. I think eto lang yung meron nila from Sony, and then I think meron ako nito before, maganda, from Audio Technica. Which one? Dito nga medyo mura, dito medyo may kamahalan. Which one?
Kena?
Yeah. Kuha. So we're out of KS and walang magandang earphone na nandoon. So we are going to go to another store.
Oh, anong mate?
Yeah,
Earphone.
yeah, it's raining. See you there, everybody. Idion. Going to Daiso. So I'm up here in Daiso. Ang daming earphone. Yeah. There's a lot of selections. And there's my favorite part, which is the candles. Diba? And the flowers as well. Let's go back here, guys. So, we're done there sa Daiso, guys. And we just stopped by here sa gas station kasi magpapagasolina. Ayan, si Roki. Madilim no sa labas. I don't know if you could tell. It is like 5 already, I guess. In the afternoon pa lang, pero medyo madilim kasi it's raining. Look at it outside. Ayan. Madilim no. And then, yeah. Ang bilis ng panahon. Open. Ay, we need a we're home. So it is 7:45 already, and sorry for the background, it's so kalat. So I'm gonna try this one. I saw this one from Lamo. It is barley, like powdered drink barley. So I'm gonna try this one kasi it says na daw, if you lack in dietary fiber in your diet, you need to drink barley. So this is very cheap. I don't know if this one tastes good or it's good quality, but so it did not say in the package na pwede siyang inumin na mainit, but I wanted to eat anything, not eat, to drink. something na mainit kasi malamig. Nilalamig ako, guys. So, I'm gonna try. Ito pala siya. It tastes okay. Parang ano lang. If you are a tea drinker, it's okay. This tastes okay sa inyo. But if you want this to be sweet, kasi meron doon sa packaging niya na pwede mo siyang ihalo sa milk, tsaka sa yung mga soy milk, ganyan, or yung mga almond milk. But me, it doesn't butter, ano ba yan? But mali yung sinasabi ko. It doesn't bother me kung ano ganito yung lasa kasi I'm used to drinking tea. Okay lang. So, I guess mas masarap siyang inumin na mainit kasi hindi masyadong black yung taste. Para lang tea. So, hello friends. I'm gonna show you quickly what I got from Daiso. Diba, naghanap ako ng earphone doon, headphone doon sa ano yun, electronic or home center, pero home center ba yan? Tawag pa sa yung mga, yung keso denki, ganyan, pero wala akong napili. So, nagpunta na ako ng Daiso. But before I forgot to mention, diba, na sabi ko kanina that I'll be talking about sa result ko sa aking PCR test. So, yun nga, last Friday, I guess, I got the result from my PCR test. And thankfully, it was negative. Thankfully, kasi para kaming nabunutan ng tinik talaga, guys, when we found out na negative yung result ko. Kasi pag naging positive, and then obviously si Roki, magti-test din siya, and then we are not in our best condition para magka-positive sa COVID, no? So, as much as possible, iwasan talaga namin yung COVID. So, thankfully, naging negative siya, and hopefully, mawala na talaga yung COVID. Kasi ang hirap. Tapos, I will be going back to work tomorrow. It's Monday, and it's a little scary still kasi we are still not sure kung everybody is like okay na talaga, because from what I heard, may bago na naman kami kasama na nag-positive na naman sa So, it was such a scare. That's why nagpa-PCR test ako. It's because I was having an asthma attack, and nahirapan akong huminga, and iba yung pakiramdam ko, para akong yung chill every night. Tapos medyo mataas din yung temperature ko, but it's not that high enough na pwede siyang yung parang 37.5 something. Hindi naman ganyan talaga kataas, but I'm just worried. So ayun, that's why I got the PCR test. And kung wala lang din sanang situation or na nangyari sa aming work, I will just assume na lang siya, asthma attack, kasi every year I always get asthma attack at the same time, every time. Tapos every year. But since yun nga, may nangyari sa workplace namin, so I really need to make a yung extra na step para mawala naman yung worries namin. So ayun, thankfully that I am negative, and then safe na din si Roki. But what I'm concerned again is babalik na ako sa work, and I don't know, basta maybe take extra or precautions na lang din, kasi hindi din maiwasan na we need to work. Hindi pwedeng mag-absent ng mahaba. So, yun na lang, dasal-dasal na lang din, tapos yun, extra care, and hopefully yung lahat ba magkasundo, lahat ng tao, para maiwasan yung pandemic na ito. That's all. Like I always say, na let's be responsible. Isipin din natin yung kapwa natin, wag lang yung mga sarili natin, kasi hindi talaga may stop yung pag-spread or yung transmission if we are reckless ourselves. So dapat din wag lang yung sarili din natin, especially yung mga elderly, yung may mga karamdaman na na yun. So that's my news, and I'm gonna show you quickly ano what I got from so ito pala yung binili din ko din sa Daiso, yung yung tripod ng cellphone. Pwede din yata yung maliit na na camera nito. Kasi I was thinking 1,000 yen din yung yung pinakamurang headphone doon or headset na nasa Ideon tsaka sa Keso Denki. So baka pares lang din yung hindi masyadong maganda din yung tunog niya or something. So I just decided na hindi na lang. So eto yung nabili ko sa aking mga 1,000. This is 200 yen by the way. So it looks okay naman. Yeah. And sturdy. Eto yung ganyan siya. And then nakabili din ako ng isa pang yung stand ng aking cellphone. And then dalawang headphones. Ayan. Earphone pala. Earphone. But I was so tempted to get yung Sony na earphone. Ang ganda ng sound niya as in. Pero it's like 3,900.
4,000 na.
Mga 4,000 yen din. But basta maybe some other time ko na lang. Tapos yung audio technica na yung headphone. Ang ganda. Oh my God.
Bilhin ko sana.
But I'm worried kasi 'di ba yung saksakan nga, usually ito yung nasisira, yung mga wire. Maganda sana kung yung wireless para mas hindi siya prone to yung masira. Kasi pag may ganito mga wire prone to to sira talaga. So parang ang ouch naman ng 4,000 yen tapos masisira agad. And also I got this mask. Yung parang cute na mask din. Tapos eto isang mask. Ayun. So I'm just gonna work on editing a video now and have a cup of my barley. And ang sarap ng barley. So I think I'm gonna call it a night now kasi it is almost 8 and I wanted to finish editing a video kasi may work na din ako bukas. Nung time na nag-absent ako sa work, hindi ako nakapag-edit or something kasi masama talagang aking pakaramdam at that time. So I'm back to editing and I miss uploading videos on YouTube. So ayan. So I hope you had a wonderful day and a great day as always, friends. And thank you always for tuning in, and yeah, keep safe always. Take extra precaution towards COVID-19. Let's all magkaisa tayong lahat sa hindi ko alam po para sa dapat magkaisa tayo in conquering COVID-19 or to stop COVID-19. So yan. Good night everybody, and I hope to see you on my next video. And always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile. And see you on the next one. Uyasumi!